So I gave a very deep thought about this as well, and I arrived at a decision that we will host this class. So hey guys, welcome back to your own channel with a very interesting and super exciting video on the announcement of an all new live masterclass completely free for the coming AFPI aspirants. For the ICSE ones, I must say that you all please don't worry, I'm figuring out something for you all as well. So please comment in the comment section below what type of video you want from my side. So a number of students commented and even direct messaged me that they wanted to talk to me personally so that they could clear all their doubts. So yes, here we are, and now we are going to attend an epic doubt class whose details will be dealt in the further part of the video. So all the AFPI aspirants must watch the whole video till the end. So yes, in this video we will be discussing the 5 W's about this live session. Who, where, what, how and when. So if you ask who must attend the seminar and who is the host. Now in this class, any candidate who wishes to be an AFPN or more likely a NDA cadet in future must attend this. And I strongly recommend each one of you to please write in the comment section that I will attend, so that we may figure out the strength and judge if this class is necessary or not. And yes, I will be hosting this class and I will definitely try to clear each and everyone's doubt the moment he asks it. So please note down all your queries on a clean piece of paper so that you may not forget your questions at the right time. Now coming on to the second question, where will this class be hosted? So I searched a number of platforms where we can accommodate a large crowd, and the app which I would be naming now, you all will be much familiar with this app. So the app which I found the most appropriate is the Zoom app, and we will be hosting the class exclusively on the Zoom app. And I strongly request all of you to please have a prior demo of this app so that you may not feel any disturbance during the class. You will get a lot of video tutorials related to Zoom app workings. Another question, what would we be covering in this session? So from the name itself, it is very clear that we will answer almost all your doubts related to this exam preparation. Moreover, I will also be covering some killer strategies to crack this exam easily. So I again request the participants to please pen down their doubts. Coming on to the next question, how can you attend this session? So I have given all the required links of all the classes with their time schedules as well. So all you have to do is, you have to click the link to join the class, but make sure you join the class on the exact timings so that you may not miss even a single detail of this session. There is some another reason too which will be dealt in the coming part. And now, the final and the most important question, when will this session be hosted, or what are the exact timings for that? So I gave a very deep thought about this as well, and I arrived at a decision that we will host this class on 31st of May, yes, Sunday, at exactly 5 p.m. in the evening. So this class may last for an hour or two, so that's why I have provided different timing links as well. So as soon as we end one class, you all will have to join the next class as well if you wish to attend. So now we discussed about all the basic questions about this session. You may also comment your views in the comment section below if you have any doubt other than them also. Now as you all know, every activity suffers ups and downs too. So let me share with you what problems I figured out while giving a thought on this session. So the first thing that I perceived that in this meeting, we may get spammers too that will try to disrupt the meeting procedure. So it is a request to all of you to join this class with your respective names, and please don't make a mess over there. Because you know that I can even kick out any participant and that person will not be able to attend the class again. And truly speaking, I really don't want to do such thing. The second thing that I want to tell you is that we can only accommodate 100 participants in that session. I repeat, 100 participants in that session. So as soon as the exact time is reached, you will have to immediately join the class in order to make your reservation. Well, what I feel that 100 participants is a big amount for us, and all shall be easily accommodated. The third and the last thing is that we will be able to take classes each of 40 minutes. So that is why we have scheduled the classes in such a way that you get an appropriate break of 10 minutes after each class. So these were the most probable issues and I think that we have also fixed them. Also comment your views about such issues. So with this we end up our video. Make sure you please share this video to all your friends, near and dear ones, and especially the die-hard AFPI aspirants, and wherever this video will make an impact. Do comment in the comment section below if you have any doubt regarding this whole session. Don't forget to subscribe to your own channel for more such interesting updates. I will meet you soon on another video. So till then, stay happy, stay fit, stay at your homes. Jai Hind, Vande Matram.